Welcome back to Every Other Carl. I'm Carl. We recently got a new house, and a company called Lumary reached out to us and said, do you want to put some permanent outdoor lights on the outside of your house? I was unsure, but my wife heard about it and she said yes, so here we are. This is 200 feet of the newest lights from Lumary. They're permanent outdoor lights. They go up on the eaves of your house. It comes with a very advanced app that allows you to control its 16 million colors. It has cool and warm colors, app dimming, every kind of decoration you could want for any kind of holidays, voice control, group control. It can sync to music. So I'm gonna open this up and then I'll show you what it takes to put it on the house and what it looks like at night. Comes with this measuring card. It says to keep the lights 2 to 4 inches away from your house so that you get a nice even spread of light. It comes in 4 50-foot sections of lights, plus an extra box that has the controller. Each light has a 3M adhesive strip on the back, and it also comes with a bunch of screws in case you want to attach them more permanently. All right, let's go put these on the house.
You definitely need a tall ladder for this job. It's a bit time consuming, not as easy as putting up Christmas lights, but these are permanent.
Like I was saying, each one of these lights comes with a little 3M adhesive foam strip on the back, and you just push that up against the soffit of your house underneath the eaves, and that'll stick pretty good. And if you'd like, you can actually slide that off and add one of the included screws that'll self-tap into your aluminum or vinyl soffit.
All right, I'm almost at the end here, but there is a 10-foot gap that I need to fill with lights. The next cable that I have is 50 feet long, so I'm gonna cut a 10-foot section. I didn't necessarily see anything in the instructions about cutting the wires, but I knew that Lumary sells a splicing kit in case you want to run lights up to a second floor, so I figured this would work. I just threw some little wire nuts on the end of the 3 wires and some electrical tape.
I only have brown electrical tape right now. I may replace that later with some white electrical tape. Not the prettiest thing at all, but I'll come back and make it prettier later.
The set also comes with these little clips that have their own little 3M adhesive. There are other ones that actually come with tracks, but either way, these are meant to go up and help tidy up your wiring in case you want it. So that would glue right there and hold any wires in place. All right, before the big reveal, I will show you the app controls in a second, but in case you're already interested in these lights, I'll put a link in the description if you want to go check them out. Also, while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe if you're interested. I'm all about DIY and adventure on this channel, and you might like it. Okay, the reveal. I love the way these look, and keeping them about 3 inches off the wall gives the light a very uniform spread. I'm not exactly doing justice to how customizable they are, but you have so many options. You can just control them with the provided remote, but if you connect them to your Wi-Fi, you can do warm light, cool light, you can dim the lights, you could do any color. You could do any color per light. There are pre-designed themes for major holidays. You can have the lights dance to music, or you can set and save your own designs. I'm very happy I put these up. Honestly, I wasn't sure about it at first, but I think they're awesome, and I love the way that you can customize them. Right now I have them skipping every other light, and you could even do more. If you just wanted the front of the house lit up, but not the sides of the house, you could skip that. Let me try to do that right now. I just turned off the ones above the driveway here, and you can save it as a custom design. So I call this one No Drive. So just the front of the house. I love the customization. Set up one that's just the back of a house in case we're having a party and we don't want to bother the neighbors. There you go, back only. Every single light is its own node. You could change the color of every single light. It doesn't have to all be white. One light could be green, the next one could be red, the next one could be white. It's pretty awesome how customizable it is. All right, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, like the video. Like I said, links to these lights are in the description. Please subscribe. And until next time, I'm Every Other Carl, and I'll see ya.